Hi children, how are you all? Good, yeah. We'll start today our class, subject English. Come today. Lesson 1, Christopher. Lesson 1, Christopher. What is the lesson's name? Christopher. What is Christopher? One person's name. We'll see who is that person through the lesson. It's described in this lesson. Who is Christopher? We'll see. Before the lesson, we should discuss some few things. What is that? Who would you call a holy or godly person? Once again, who would you call a holy or godly person? Who you are calling a godly person? We'll see the answer. One who leads the religious life and never does any wrong. See children, one who leads the religious life. You should lead the religious life. Should be believe our religion. Then and never does any wrong. Never do the mistakes. Knowingly, unknowingly we are doing some silly mistakes. But knowingly we never does a mistakes. Okay children, these are the godly persons we are describing. Then one more is there. Think of some other words for God. We are saying we are believing in our God. We are saying our God, my God. Who is He? We will see. God is love. We can describe as God is love. Then next, God is peace. God is peace. We will believe in God, we will get the peace. So He is giving peace. Next, God is mercy. God is mercy. God is kindness to us. God gives kindness, His kindness to us. God is truth. God is truth. God is Savior. He is giving the Savior to mankind. He is the Savior of mankind. God is purity. God is purity. We can say a few more words also. God is infinite and God is kindness. God is supreme. We can say many words are there, but we can discuss this many only. Then now we understood who is godly person and who is God. Okay. Now we will come to the lesson. What is the lesson's name? Christopher. What is the lesson's name? Christopher. It's a very difficult word, I think. Okay, we'll see. There have been many good and godly persons in the world. Okay, we know some people are good, some people are not good. They are showing kindness and love to others. Okay, we will call, he is a good man. If anyone is giving to something or he is showing kindness to us, a friend, you will say, he is my good friend. You will say, no children? Yeah, you are feeling that? Yes. Then, here you will read the story of one such a noble person. Noble person means a great person. Noble person, great. Noble mean great. A noble person. Here we are discussing about a noble person. Yeah. His name is Ophiro. What is his name? Ophiro. Ophiro. Here one noble person and his name is Ophiro. What's his name? Ophiro. Yeah. He was a man of giant size and strength. Strength means giant size. Very big size. Strength, very strong. Strength means very strong. Strength means very strong. Isn't it? Yeah. Then he was kind and good to all. Even though he was a giant size and very strong, he was very good and kind to all persons. He was always helping others in one way or the other way. He is helping to the others. That is a very good nature. Okay, very good behavior. Okay, children. Yeah. One day, Ophrah was sitting on the bank of a river. He was sitting near the river. Bank of a river means near the river. Side to the river has two sides. That's bank of river. We'll call the bank of river. It was a wide and deep river. It was very wide, very width. It was much width and very deep. High level water is there in the river. We can walk. We will swim in the river. Ophrah saw an old man standing on the bank. An old man is standing near the bank. So he wants to go that side, the other side of the river. He wants to go there, but he can't walk. That's why he was standing there. Then the old man was looking over the river. Next page, page number 4. He was looking over the river. He was looking the river. What he was thinking? The river is too deep. He can't walk through the river. That's why he is standing near the river. He looked very sad. He was feeling sad. He wants to go, but he can't go. Ophrah went up to him and said, "Can I help you, sir?" He is asking to Ophrah, "Can you help me, sir?" Then what he replies, we'll see. The man looked at Ophrah and said, "I want to go across the river, but the water is very deep. The current is very strong and I don't know how to swim." The man is telling that, "I want to go across the river, but I don't know the swimming, but I want to go. Please help me." He is asking to the Ophrah. Okay. The current means movement of water. Very waves are there in the river. So current means movement of water. It's high and low, high and low. That is waves. We have discussed the waves. "Oh, is that all?" said Ophrah very kindly. "This much only? Okay, I will do." Ophrah asked that. "I will take you across the river. I am tall and strong and the water is not too deep for me. I can walk through it easily. Come and sit on my shoulder." The Ophrah is asking to old man, "I will help you. I am very tall and I am strong. Water is not a problem to me. I can walk. Then you should sit on my shoulder. I will take you to across the river." He agreed to help. That is a helping. Yeah. Ophrah bent down on his knees and the old man climbed onto Ophrah's big and broad shoulder. Ophrah bent and the old man sit on his shoulder and he started the walking. The Ophrah stepped into the water. What happened? Who is on Ophrah's shoulder? The old man. He started walking. Stepped means started walking in the river. He stepped into the river means started walking into the river. So, okay. Then, don't be afraid. He is telling that. Don't be afraid, old man. Yeah. Said Ophrah very kindly. He showing little kindness to that old man. Don't be afraid. Hold on to my head and soon it will be on the other side. Hold on to, that means keeping hold, that is keep on hold continuously. You are sitting on my shoulder, you hold my head. He is telling that. Okay. With the firm steps, Ophrah walked across the river. Okay, he reached the other side of the river. Soon they reached the other bank. Ophrah set the old man safely on the ground. What happened? He set him safely on the ground. The other side of the bank. They reached the other side of the bank safely. Okay. May God bless you. What he gave? He gave the thanks like, may God bless you. God will bless you. That is very good, children. Said the old man and went his way. He said that he didn't pay any money. He said that may God bless you. Okay. If anyone is giving something or giving help to us, we should bless them. God will bless you. We should bless them, children. Okay. And then he said, God will bless you. He said, the old man said, and he went away. Now, Ophro turned, next page, children, page number 5. Now, Ophro turned and watered. Watered means walk with an effort through mud and water. You see, children, mud and water. If the water is mixed with the mud will be little sticky, right? We can't walk easily there. But the mud is dry or like sand, we can walk fast. Okay. He started, came back to other side of the river. He looked at the river and said to himself, he was thinking that when he is looking to the river, and he was thinking himself, what he was thinking, we'll see, I will build a hut there on the river bank and live in it. So now my house is little far. If I build a hut here, I can live here. Then I can help others also. So now today I helped an old man. Same way many people will be there. I can help them. Okay. He was thinking that. Thus, I can help people who want to cross the river but don't know how to swim. Many people will be there without knowing the swimming. So, I can help to the people. He was thinking that. That's what he is going to do. He is building a hut. I am tall and strong and can carry them on my shoulder. I am very tall. He is telling, I am very tall and strong. What's his name? Ophro. Ophro is very tall and very strong. I can help him, or how I can help them by keeping them on my shoulder. Okay. Thus, I help them cross the river. I can cross the river very fast. But hut was soon ready. He started the hut and made a hut. And Ophro started living it. He started living in the hut. Where is the hut? Near the river. Every day he carried men, women, children across the river. He started his helping. He put them. Them means people who, men, women, children. They helped to cross the river there. One night, there was a terrible storm. Terrible. You know terrible? Terrible means very dangerous. One day, near the river, very storm. That means very dangerous storm came there. So what happened there? Rough winds began to blow and the sky grew dark. Yesterday also we got some rain. Same way, cloud was very dark, and then what happened? Clouds thundered and lightning flashed. Started thundering and lightning in the sky. Everyone will shiver, like we are getting scared. Okay. Suddenly, Ophro heard a voice. Ophro, Ophro, please take me across the river. All are inside of the house. Even Ophro also inside the hut. So suddenly a storm wind came there and thundering started. Even lightning also started in the sky. Suddenly he heard a voice that Ophro, Ophro, please help me. Who is that? We'll see. Ophro looked out of his hut. He saw a little boy shivering in the cold. Shivering. He heard his name, Ophro, Ophro, and he looked out of the hut and what happened? He saw a boy. We'll see that. Ophrah came out of his hut and bent down to the little boy. He saw a little boy. He is shivering there out of his hut. He was standing. One boy was standing and shivering. Why he is shivering? The clouds are very dark and thundering and lightning also are there in the sky. Okay. Then a little one. He saw a little boy. He said very softly, what? Come into my hut. He said, saying that you, a little boy, you come to my hut. The weather is so rough. I shall take you across the river in the morning. What happened? He said that today you don't go. The weather is very bad. I'll take you to the river tomorrow morning. Okay. A sad look came on the child's face. What happened? She became very sad. The little boy was very sad. Why? He needs to go today itself there, the other side of the river. Ophrah saw tears in his eyes. What happened? He started crying. The little boy started crying. Why? Because he needs to go today itself. Okay. Ophrah said the child, please take me across the river. I can't wait. I have to go to right now. He is telling that, no, I can't wait. The little boy saying to Ophrah, I can't wait. I want to go now itself. Please take me to the river. Side of the river. Other side of the river. He is saying to Ophrah. Next page, children. Here picture you can see, children. See, this is Ophrah. A small boy is on his shoulder and he is across the river. So the river is the waves are very high on him. Okay. We'll go to next page. The next page, page number 6. Ophrah gathered the child lovingly in his arms. What happened? He showed little pity or kindness on him. What is? He gathered. Gathered means pulled the child towards him. He is hugged him. Okay. While seeing a small child, we also will do hug the child. No? Same way, the Ophrah also gathered him. That means pulled the child towards him. Okay. Then alright, he said, we will go right now. Don't be afraid of the storm. Okay. We'll go. You started crying. You are asking today itself I have to go. Okay. I am take you to river, other side of the river. You don't cry by seeing the storm. Storm means big wind. Then Ophrah put the child on his shoulders and waded through the angry river. The Ophrah put the child on his shoulder and started the walking. Here one word is there, children. Waded. Waded here already wrote there. And the meaning is through the mud. Walked with an effort through the mud and water. I explained before itself. Okay. The raining is there. That's why the mud became sticky. Okay. It's a difficulty to walk. Waded. Here waded. Walked with an effort through mud and water. Okay. Then we'll come to that. The icy waves lashed on his body and the winds roared. Lashed. See the meaning? Lashed. Hit with big force. It is hitting with big force. Lashed. Lashed means hit with big force. They are walking. Where are they now? In the river, the middle of the river. They are in the middle of the river. Then, but he held the child tightly and walked on. He was holding the child very tightly. Why? Because small child, he may get the scaring. Yeah. At last, they reached the other side. They reached the other side of the river. Ophrah set the child down very gently. Set down the child on the ground very gently. Very good nature, very good helping. No, that is, yeah. Little one, he said, hey, little boy, shall I come with you? He is asking that. Maybe he is scaring. Shall I come with you to your house? That he is asking. Who is asking? Ophrah is asking to the small boy. It is too dark for you to go alone. Now the dark, no? So it's very difficult to go to your house. I will come with you. I will help you. He is asking. Ophrah is asking to the child. But he replies, we'll see. But the child said nothing. Child didn't say anything. Why? He only smiled at Ophrah and walked away. The child gave a smile and walked away. Ophrah saw a soft circle on light around the child's head. He was walking. What he saw, Ophrah saw? Say, light circle around his head. The child's head. Now he understood everything. He fell on his knees and said, he realized something, children. What happened? What is that? The child was God. Child was God. Very happy moment, no? A God is coming to you and asking a help and blessing you. That is very happy moment, no? Isn't it? Yeah, it was child Christ whom I carried on my shoulders. He realized that that was a not small boy. Who is that? Child Christ. Who was that? Child Christ. That means God, Jesus Christ. That's it. Then he was kneeling and praying that, oh God, it was child Christ whom I carried on my shoulder. He was so happy. He felt very happy. When people came to know if they gave Ophrah that the name Christopher. He carried the child Christ. His name became the Christopher. I will write on the board, children. Listen. Christopher. What was his name here? First, what was his name? Ophrah. After that incident, he became Christopher. Christopher means he carried the Christ. He carried the Christ. It's not a story like. Okay. Then we'll see what he is saying here. From the Christopher, we get the English name Christopher. Ophrah, he carried the child Christ. It became Christopher. From this is a Latin word, children, Latin word. From this, English translated that Christopher. What is the name? Christopher. First Ophrah, then it became Christopher. From that, the word translated into the English that Christopher. Understood? Christopher. So let's see the last sentence, children. It's very touching. In time, Christopher came to be known as Saint Christopher. He is a saint. It's a god. So it became after he is known as Saint Christopher. Christopher is a saint of Christianity. Isn't it? First his name is Ophrah and after it became Christopher. Then Christopher, he is the person, became the Saint Christopher. Why did he get this name? He became saint, the helping others. That is the very good nature. He helped others with happily. That's why he became the Saint Christopher. Very nice story, children. It's okay? Good.